Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to set up a VPN on your Android phone in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking for more privacy, access to geo-blocked content, or just an extra layer of security online, this video will guide you through 2 simple ways to set up a VPN on Android. Now, the first method is the more technical one, setting up a VPN connection manually. If you already have your VPN credentials, like a server address, username, and password, here's how to do it. Step 1. Head over to your settings on your Android phone. Tap the search bar at the top and type in VPN. You should see the VPN settings pop up. Depending on your Android version or manufacturer, like Samsung, Xiaomi, or Pixel, it might be under Network and Internet or Connections. Tap on the VPN option when you see it. Next, tap the ++ sign or Add VPN, and now you'll enter the details your VPN provider gave you. Once you're done, just save it and connect. Boom, you're protected. Now, for those who want a simpler route, using a VPN app is the easiest way. No setup, no configuration. Open your Google Play Store and search for VPN. You'll see tons of options like TurboVPN, SuperVPN, VPN Proxy Master, and more. Some are free, some require a subscription. Let's go with a free one for this tutorial. Just tap Install, wait for it to download, and open it once it's ready. You might see some ads. It's normal with free VPN apps. Once inside the app, look for a button like Tap to Connect. Tap it, and you might get a pop-up saying the app needs permission to set up a VPN connection. Hit OK, and within seconds, you should be connected. You'll usually see a small VPN icon at the top of your phone's screen. That means you're connected and secure. To double-check, swipe down from the top of your screen. If it says VPN connected, you're all set. When you're done and want to disconnect, open the VPN app again and tap Disconnect. That's it. You're back to normal browsing. And that's how you set up a VPN on your Android phone. Whether you're doing it manually or with an app, you're now browsing with an extra layer of security. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. It really helps. Have questions or need help with a specific app? Leave a comment below. And of course, subscribe for more tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.